Today, we are living in a world without borders. Globally, there has been remarkable progress of technology, and so our capacity to connect, modulate, and propagate the world has become highly interconnected and increasingly globalized. Lifestyle disorders like obesity, diabetes, cancer has become a household phenomenon. Nations are becoming melting pot for genetic disorders. On the other hand, habitat destruction, urbanization is pushing global climate change into an inadvertent reality. It is catalyzing a global shift of vector and pathogens dispersal, creating a whole new challenge for the healthcare to deal with new, emerging and re-emerging pathogens. COVID-19 is one such phenomenon that the generation has witnessed, let alone the frequent incidents of MERS, SARS, Ebola, etc. Keeping pace with the rapidly progressing world is taken its own toll to the global health and health of an individual. Age has become a mere number for illness. Kids, young, and olds are suffering same condition that otherwise seemed distant possibilities in past. Truly, global challenges are emerging to maintain the social and psychological good state in individuals. What we need is collective efforts to deepen our understanding on the changing landscape of healthcare, strategies to secure the health from the upcoming challenges, and finally ensure access to the affordable healthcare and medical countermeasures. This can be realized only if we share the lessons learned, train the next generation in advanced research, develop focused academic, and ultimately create a holistic ecosystem for the bench-to-bench-side translation of innovations and novel technologies. We need to brainstorm more and translate the benefits of fourth industrial revolution into healthcare. We need to promote One Health. We need to adopt innovations in areas like personalized medicine, precision medicine, rapid diagnostics, artificial intelligence, and deep technologies. On this road, Shri Balaji Vidyapeeth, a healthcare-focused university, has made commitment to excellence. With a vision to strive as a premier global health science university leading in frontiers of education, research, and patient care, Shri Balaji Vidyapeeth is happy to present the 2nd International Health and Research Convention 2023. As the brainchild of the Chancellor, Shri M.K. Rajagopalan, and Vice Chancellor, Professor Subhash Chandra Parija, the IH&RC was conceived to foster and promote the idea of Global Converging Forum, a platform for the clinicians, scientists, researchers, and related subject matter experts to nurture the mind and bear hope for the better healthcare and healthcare research for the society in large. The first IH&RC was held in 2019 and has tremendous measurable success with a footfall of more than 1,800 participants. It was well received by the community. On behalf of ever-growing SBV family, this time we congratulate and heartily welcome all the participants, experts, and all to the 2nd IH&RC. In the next few days, you will be witnessing remarkable scientific and academic extravaganza spanned across 25 workshops, 16 conferences, and 6 CME and symposiums. We call you for active participation. We call you to engage, interact, and evolve with the lessons learned. Welcome to the 2nd International Health and Research Convention 2023, organized by Shri Balaji Vidyapeeth, Puducherry, India. Shri Balaji Vidyapeeth Puducherry is happy to dedicate the 2nd International Health and Research Convention to our nation's initiatives for the prevention and effective management of COVID-19 pandemic.